If you've been considering Proton Pass, you came to the right place. In this Proton Pass review, we'll be checking out the latest updates, what's changed, how it works now, and answering the big question I know a lot of you have: is Proton Pass worth it? Let's go. The company behind Proton is no newbie in the cybersecurity field. In fact, it's well known for its privacy-focused approach to security. And speaking of Proton Pass security, like all core Proton products, including Mail, Drive, and Calendar, Pass is also built on a zero-knowledge architecture. This means that only users hold their own encryption keys, making it impossible for Proton or anyone else to access your passwords. Your privacy isn't just protected by promises or policies, but by the design itself. And to top it off, Proton uses an end-to-end encryption model, which is considered the industry gold standard for secure information transfer. With this particular model, your information is encrypted on your own device before it's even sent to the cloud for storage. Plus, the encryption used for this model is AES 256, one of the strongest encryption algorithms in 2026. If you're debating whether to pick 1Password or Proton Pass, both providers actually use this same exact type of encryption. Now, if you're comparing Proton Pass versus NordPass, the latter actually uses a more modern encryption method. But back to our Proton Pass review, Proton has no known breaches, which proves the effectiveness of all these security measures. And Proton also is open source, meaning the company makes its code available for inspection by the community at any time. This is, of course, a strong indication of the company's commitment to transparency, and this has also helped them earn the trust of many users over the years. Even so, Proton also periodically orders professional, in-depth third-party audits of its products to go even further in proving their security measures are legit. That said, I've left links in the description if you want to check out the best discounts for top password manager options. I'm here to help you pick the most cost-effective option for your wallet. With the security part of this video covered, let's take a look at the product itself. Proton Pass is available on all major platforms: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS, and also offers extensions for major browsers. Taking a look at the app, you'll find it's fairly minimalist, but in a good way. There's no visual noise like banners or pop-ups, and all features and functions follow an intuitive flow, requiring only a few clicks. Add, edit, autofill, done. All of which makes Proton just as beginner-friendly as it is suitable for all you more advanced users out there. And don't worry if you already have your password saved in your browser or in another password manager, it won't take years of manual retyping to switch over. You can simply pull saved logins directly from Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari in one go. Plus, Proton Pass also supports importing passwords from other managers via CSV files. And if you're worried all that sounds like it might be a little complicated, Proton Pass has got you covered. The app tells you exactly where to click and what to upload during the entire importing process. Is Proton Pass security and UI checking all your boxes? Then scan this QR code or click the link below. It'll take you straight to the great Proton Pass deals that I was able to get for you. Now, just transferring your passwords into Proton Pass doesn't guarantee your security. You also got to make sure your passwords are strong enough. And that's why I recommend doing some cleanup. You can start by going to this website and entering your passwords to see if any of them appear in known leaked password databases. It really is best to check them all, but especially your most important or frequently used ones. Then at that point, you can use Proton's password generator to create stronger, more complicated replacements. With the password generator, you can customize the length and character types. I recommend making a unique password for every single site or app. Yeah, I know, but before you say anything, remember, now you don't actually need to remember them all. You have a password manager for that, don't you? Plus, to further help, Proton Pass automatically fills in login credentials on websites and apps, and that effectively saves your time and reduces phishing risks. For your convenience, Proton Pass also allows for passwordless logins using secure passkeys instead of traditional passwords. So either way, you don't need to bother juggling complicated passwords. And to make it absolutely impossible for malicious actors to get a hold of your passwords, you can set up two-factor authentication. As of last year, Proton released its own 2FA authenticator, which in my opinion is yet another reason to ditch Google's spying ecosystem. With all that effort put into securing access to your accounts, you can't just write your passwords in an unsecured message to share it with your friends or family members, right? Well, Proton Pass has got you covered here too, offering password sharing. This feature also utilizes end-to-end encryption and makes it so only the intended recipient can read what you shared. You can either grant access to your entire vault of items, or you can generate secure encrypted links for specific items. You can even customize expiration dates and remove access at any time. Basically, as a Proton Pass user, you have the power to control permissions. So far, we've covered the main features, but now let's continue our review of Proton Pass by taking a look at some others too. Starting with the ability to create disposable email aliases, or said differently, fake email addresses that you can type in when registering for new websites. Any newly registered accounts will send emails to this fake address, and you can then redirect it to your real email if you want to. This way, your real email stays both private and safe from spam and leaks. Now, if you still haven't checked all your passwords on the Cybernews leak webpage yet, Proton's password health monitoring feature alerts you to any weak, reused, or compromised passwords in your vault. You don't need to do anything, the app automatically visually flags passwords based on strength and safety. Another great feature is dark web monitoring. As the name suggests, it notifies you if your email address or other credentials appear in known breach databases, or underground forums where stolen data gets dumped or traded. Last year, Proton Pass enabled custom item storage. Besides usernames and passwords, you can create custom entries for things like Wi-Fi credentials, recovery codes, software licenses, your family's emergency contacts and plans, or any other sensitive notes you might want to keep encrypted. And to top it all off, Proton Pass now also lets you store files, or as they call it, secure file attachments, including things like PDFs, images, scans, and documents. These attachments will also be encrypted to end-to-end, so Proton can't see, scan, or index them either. The way this feature works is actually very practical. You can attach files directly to a login or item. For example, a scan of your ID can be attached to a government login. Although it's not the same as run-of-the-mill cloud storage, it works when you need secure storage with quick access. And last but not least, a recently added feature is emergency access. With this feature, you can grant up to 5 trusted contacts emergency access to your account. The only downside is that your trusted contacts also need a Proton account to gain access. That said, even though Proton Pass has added many great new features over the last year, other password managers still have some unique features that Proton doesn't. For example, 1Password offers a unique travel mode feature that lets you temporarily hide selected vaults when traveling abroad. However, Proton Pass is actively gunning for the title of Best Password Manager, and that's why they've implemented a great feature request system. And not only do people actively use the system, but Proton Pass actually listens to them. Over the years, the company has added many of the features that users requested to the app. Moving on to pricing, you can see that Proton Pass offers 2 plans: Proton Plus for either 1 month or 1 year, and Proton Family. The first one is perfect for covering your individual needs, while the Family plan lets you add up to 6 users. As an admin of the Family plan, you get access to the admin dashboard, which lets you add or delete users and manage their access to files and vaults. That's our Proton Pass Review 2026 edition. In summary, I can confidently say that Proton Pass is a strong and secure password manager that will keep your accounts and passwords safe and private. That's it, folks. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel to see more videos like it, and don't forget to leave a comment on which part you like the most. See you soon.